In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow access to your photos on CapCut. So we're going to start just by opening up the CapCut application. Click on the Edit button in the bottom left-hand side and select New Project. Now, if you get this window here pop up, make sure to select Allow Full Access, and this will give CapCut full permissions to your camera gallery. Now, if you don't have this option, then what we'll need to do is open up the Settings application on your phone, scroll right down to the bottom and click on Apps, scroll down again until you see CapCut and click on this, click on Photos at the top of this screen, and make sure Full Access is turned on and enabled. Now, if you don't see this option called Photos, then what you'll need to do is open back up the main settings page, click on Screen Time, then scroll down and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned off like it is for me, and then we can come back over to the settings page, scroll back down and click on Apps, scroll down and click on CapCut. Now you should be able to click on Photos and select Full Access, and then if we open back up the CapCut application, we can now click on New Project and go and select one of the photos from our camera roll. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.